Hi business creators, it's Claire from Claire, and today we're going to be talking about 3 ways you can make your bookkeeping more interesting. So the 3 main complaints I hear about bookkeeping are it's deadly boring, it takes ages, and it's hard work. So this week we're going to take a look at how you can make bookkeeping more interesting. In the last video we looked at how you could make it quicker, and in the next video next week we're going to look at how you can make it easier. Now, admittedly, there is a lot of data processing in doing your bookkeeping, and data processing isn't the most interesting job in the world. But I really believe a change in your perspective can help you to see it as interesting as it is. So, firstly, the first way to help you change that perspective is to see every piece of data as an opportunity for you to learn more about your business. Where does money come into your business? Where does money go out of your business? And these simple facts, just seeing where that money comes in and goes, can help you to see if your efforts in marketing are worthwhile. Are you getting good value from those purchases? Just paying attention to where it comes and goes can help you to manage your money better. Secondly, when we see data and information as an opportunity, we can also pay attention to how we feel about that money. Do we feel good when a client pays their invoice? Or is there a little inkling of guilt because we didn't work hard to earn it? Really helps us to see where we might need to do some work before we put our prices up or before we go out and look for new clients. Are you excited, for example, about spending $250 on training? Or are you worried that you might need that money in future and you aren't sure it's a wise investment? Maybe you need to look at the pros and cons of that training and do a bit of an evaluation on what potential return that training can give you to help you decide, is that a good investment for your business? Thirdly, when we see that data is an opportunity and we can start to use that information, we can adopt a longer term perspective, and it can be really interesting to see how business income and expenses change throughout the course of the year. How does this year compare to last year? How does this month, this year, compare to the same month last year? And depending on how much data you've got, you can go back. Now, it's not necessarily going to be relevant if you've changed how you do business or you've changed any significant part of your business. But if you are doing the same thing this year as you were doing last year, have you improved? Have those Facebook ads paid off? Have you got more customer service time or more customer service happening? Like, what are the causes and effects? What can you see happening in terms of pattern and trends? And when you really dig into those and give it the attention it deserves, it really can help your business to thrive. The second way I think you can change your perspective to make bookkeeping more interesting is to see it as a learning experience, especially at the beginning. If you like learning new things, and I'm pretty sure that's one of the main prerequisites for starting a business, then bookkeeping can be one of those things. Each time a new challenge comes up, you can learn how to deal with it. You can expand your knowledge, you can expand your skills and experience, and bookkeeping is just one element of that. And I will say that I think learning to keep your business finances in order is a skill for life as a business creator and a business owner. Dealing with finances does not go away when your business grows, even if you outsource bookkeeping, even if you hire a CFO. In fact, it becomes even more important as your business grows. Because you've got to remember, your tax bill is going to get bigger. If you have employees, they're going to rely on you and the business income you create and the profits you generate to pay them. And your personal finances, well, are going to rely more and more on the money you make in business. I'm going to suggest all those things will become true as your business grows. And then the third way I think you can change your perspective, your attitude, is to create the environment you enjoy. Now, so many people see bookkeeping as this stifling, corporate, dull experience, and that's what they create it as you do not need to be sitting at a desk in your best corporate outfit with complete silence to do your bookkeeping. You get to create the environment that you enjoy, and then you can do the work within that environment. You can do it pretty much anywhere on a laptop or a smartphone or a tablet, and you can do it anywhere those devices go. Maybe for you that's tucked up in bed, music on, with your pajamas on and a cup of your favorite drink. As long as the work gets done, the environment in which you do it is completely up to you. So those elements around that experience really can change your experience of how you do bookkeeping. And also remember, you can follow up a successful bookkeeping session with a treat or a reward. And even if that's just something as simple as a guilt-free 10 minutes sitting in the garden with a favorite cup of tea. So, would changing your attitude with these tips help you to make bookkeeping more interesting? If this video has been useful, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up or comment and let me know how you're going to make your bookkeeping more interesting. You can also subscribe to receive more content like this on making business finance and bookkeeping quicker, easier, and actually work for your business.